Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to install a new outlet. You're going to need a either 15 or 20 amp outlet right here. Needle nose pliers, screwdriver, and some wire strippers. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is strip the wiring back maybe about 3/4 of an inch. Second thing you're going to want to do is make a loop on each one of these wires. I'm going to go ahead and do the ground first. So when you're doing this, you're going to try and make a nice little hook to wrap around the backside of the screw on the outlet right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and do this for each one. Next, you're going to want to hook up the ground first, which is the green screw right here, to the bare copper. When you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure that the end of the hook is always going in the clockwise direction. That way when you tighten it down, it'll stay under the screw head. Next, you're going to want to hook up your neutral or your white wire. Open this loop up just a little bit. Get it right under there. So on the back of these outlets, it will tell you which one is gonna be where the white or neutral wire goes and where the hot wire goes. You can usually identify the hot wire just by the color of the screws. It's more of a copper color. So these ones look more of like a silver or steel for the neutral. All right. Next will be the black or hot wire. Everything's nice and torqued down. None of the wires are touching. I don't have any bare copper exposed out of the backside of the outlet. Pretty much all the copper is underneath the screws without any of the insulation being stuck under the screws. I'm just gonna wrap this whole outlet, cover all the terminal ends with electrical tape. Just so none of my hot or neutral wires are touching the bare copper inside the outlet box. Just like that, you installed a new outlet.